The Bosch Exclusive washing machine's E23 error code indicates that the aquastop hose has been activated, which is part of a leakage protection system designed to cut off the water supply to the appliance. When a leakage is detected, this suggests a possible leak, which may occur during water fill or when running the washing program. The error code can be caused by leakage, as the aquastop system detects and responds to leaks by activating the error code. Additionally, water accumulation in the base of the washing machine can also trigger the error code, as the appliance is equipped with a float sensor that detects internal leakages, particularly those that occur during the washing program. To address the E23 error, it is essential to turn off the water supply to prevent further leakage during water fill. This can be achieved by turning off the external supply tap. It is also recommended to contact the manufacturer's support team or specialized personnel to assess the aquastop system for any faults. If the error code is caused by water accumulation in the base, draining the base water is an effective solution. To do this, turn off the external water supply, place a collection tray at the back of the appliance, and align it with the base drain vent. Then, gradually lift the washing machine backward to an angle of at least 30 degrees, allowing the accumulated water to drain into the collection tray without splashing and potentially damaging electrical components. After draining the base, it is crucial to redirect the appliance properly and conduct a test spin to ensure the issue is resolved.